Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter again out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my video. This is the fifth video on the Conversion Pros Capture Page step-by-step training. Today, we want to talk about pages that are done for you. You don't have to have technique in building capture pages. You don't have to have that skill at all. We have pre-built capture pages for you. We have capture pages that you can use for any business. And once you create an account with the Conversion Pros, if you haven't already joined, you can take a 14-day free trial. And once you create an account, you can tell other people about this marketing system. And if a person like what they see, if they join up for free, just give it away for free. They join up and then they become an upgraded member. You are getting paid a commission. It's a 50% commission on every sale. So join up for free. When you open up or go into your back office, go over here where it say get started. Click on share codes right here. We're going to go to what we want to do is go to the landing pages. Okay. Uh, that's not what I want. See, let's click on getting started right here. Let's click on share codes, then click on landing pages, and it's going to take you over here to where you can see different pages that you can use. These are the share codes. These numbers are share codes. And what you want to do, just say if you're in the weight loss business, if you're selling weight loss products or something like that, each one of these represent a capture page that you can use to bring leads in to see your product. Just click on, let's start at this top one. Just click on the number right there, and we want to preview it. Drop that faster than ever before. If you are promoting a product that a lose weight product or anything like that, you can use this capture page. And I showed you how to create a capture page in the last two videos, but these pages are already laid out for you. And once you choose the page you want, all you have to do is redirect them to your main website. And that's going to be a lead that you can contact anytime you get ready that goes into your back office of the Conversion Pros. How simple is that? Just say you're in the coffee business. Let's try this page right here. Okay, we're not going to copy it right now. We're just going to preview it. Just say you're in organic gold or something like this, or something like that. Here's a page that you can use right here. Let's see another one. Let's look at another one. Here's another page. You drink coffee every day? Why not lose weight by drinking it? It's more delicious and can get you paid. Okay, that's another page. If you're in the weight loss business and the coffee business as well, let's check out this page right here. Here's another. Does your coffee make you lose weight? It's all about advertising uh, coffee and losing weight at the same time. Let's say you're in the cannabis business. Over here is medical hemp. Let's just click on that first one, preview it right here. All these pages are laid out for you, and you can redirect them to any website that you might be involved with, and it goes on and on. let's just, if you're in travel, if you're in skincare, just say you're in cryptocurrency. You know, that's a big thing that's going on now, cryptocurrency. Let's just click on one of them. Click on it, preview it. Okay, cryptocurrency, making millionaires. This video here that's gonna advertise for you, and then if they fill out the information, their name, first and last name, they say first name here, and then their email address and phone number, that becomes your lead, and then you can send them what you want. But all the time, you're going to be redirecting them, or you're going to be contacting them because they become your lead in the inside of the Convergent Pros. You can contact that lead once you get their information and talk to them about your business opportunity, whatever business that you decide to promote. Okay, let's go down here. Lead magnet. You can use these to bring to promote to them different ways to learn about. Just say Instagram, free Instagram masterclass. These are already laid out for you. This become your lead if you want to show them uh, uh, how to start an Instagram account or learn more about Instagram, then you can use this. Okay, let me show you what the video is about. Let me see. Lead magnet. Let me see this one right here. See this video right here? It's the master class. And see, you can redirect them to this page uh once you select that capture page. All these are done for you. Let's go back to this first one right here and let's just copy it. Let's copy it. And then it says page copied successfully. Would you like to start editing it now? And you can say yes. This is where you go over to edit the page. Give your page a name right there. You can just save it. And you can go down here and save it just like that. Yolanda has been saved, and then you can start editing this. Yes, I want to learn how. This is what they're gonna see. So this is the form right here. Right here, you can edit the form, edit it, and you can select. You can change from the full name, from the first name and email address and telephone number. You can put in the form that says just email and full name and email. And right here is where you will put your link to your main website. Okay, just say I'm going to use one of the capture pages that I've already created. All I have to do, and you can have many pages created, and all you have to do is click on custom right here and just choose a page that you already created. But you want to send them to, let's go back over here. You want to send them to the page to show them the master class, if that's what you want to do. Okay, see, this is the training right here. Here's your free Instagram master class. Watch video 1 through 5, and we're just gonna copy that link, copy it, and go back over here. We want to go back to editing. I must have moved something. Okay, we're gonna want to go back over here and just put it right here. Put that link right here and paste it and then save it. All right, that page is created. Let's save. Before you do anything, remember I say save your page. No matter what you do, continue to save your page. All right. Okay, we're going to look at the page that we just created. We're going to go to Page Builder and see the page we created is right here. Okay, we're just going to look at it, preview it. That's it. That's all it takes right there. And once a person put in their name, it becomes your lead. They're going to click Get the Course. And there it is. See? It comes up just like that. And you can do this as well. The pages are already laid out for you. This has been the Convergent Pros Capture Page step-by-step training video number 5. I will come to you again on the next video with simple ways that you can use the Convergent Pros to build your business, to build any business. And you can build the Convergent Pros as well. It doesn't have to be any other business. You can make a commission off of this business opportunity with the Convergent Pros marketing system, all in one box, all in one unit. You have a business opportunity, you have a marketing system, all in one. And then you have your capture pages already created for you if you don't want to create your own. You don't have to. We have done for you capture pages. My name is Marlon Carter. Look for me on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe now. Subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so you can receive the next video that I record. You all have a blessed and wonderful day. Elder Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Preacher first, entrepreneur next. We will see you on the next video. Bye-bye now.